你现在给我搞得我不知道讲啥了。Hello? Yeah, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to our lab demonstration. Today, I am Rita from Sunny Group, also known as Henan Recycle Environmental Protection Equipment Company Limited. Sun Group is the leader manufacturer of e-waste recycling lines with more than 20 years experience. Actually, our company is also well known as its innovative and efficient solutions for different solid waste recycling lines, such as in solar panel recycling lines, lithium-ion battery recycling lines, circuit board recycling lines, with the cable wires recycling lines, and others. The followers of our platform may know that we will have the lab demonstration from time to time. And before we had ever hold the live streaming on solar panel recycling lines and lithium-ion recycling lines, because those two recycling solutions are emerged and popular recycling lines in recent years. But today, we will introduce you the small shredder machines. Why we need to use the small shredder machines or the double shaft shredder machines? Because in the normal labs, we have metal waste need to dispose. The shredder has the advantages of bigger capacity, because its disposing speed is fast, and it can shred almost most of kinds of waste in your daily life, such as the household damages, the market waste, and the building waste, and so on. So after shred them, it will help you to reduce the damage to the lines, and also to protect our environment. For the big companies, they have many the waste steels to dispose. So the big double shaft shredder will help to them to shred the steels. It will help them to easier transport and either to smelt them into the ingot or other purpose they want to have. And for the plastics, after shredding them, it can help them to make granules, and then make other plastic products. So it has many advantages for them to use our double shaft shredder. And today we will introduce our small double shaft shredders. The small shredder will be more fit for the medium and small companies, because their cost is relatively relatively low. So most of people or even personal can bear this cost. And today you can see at the background of me, there are several models of the shredder. Today we will use 3 of them to test the different kinds of materials for you. You can, if you enter our live streaming, you can tap the materials you want to shred, and we will contact you soon to show you the solutions. And also, if we saw that we have the materials right now, and we can shred 8 for you right now. So you can see that in my hand there has a raffle box. The other day we asked the different visitors in our platform to tap their materials they want to shred. So right now I will check which materials we had, and then we will test the materials we want to have. And let's see who is the lucky one. Yeah, this is the from Mexico client who want to shred the plastic bottles. So right now, let's have some plastic bottles to shred. Use the, I think you can use these very small models. You can see this is a very small shredder. You can compare it with my size and with small size. It's very small. It's barely not occupied any area. So you can use it as your home. OK，你拍到里面了吗？拍到里面了吗 ？OK， 先停止吧。Okay, can you see? Yeah, this is the small shredding chamber. You can see these are the different blades, and these are blades, and this the blade size. After shredded, you can see that this is the shredded size. Let me have the bottle. 给我拿一个瓶子呗啊，我拿个瓶子呗。Can see? Okay, you can see this is the shredded materials, and this is the bottle. So this bottle, this size is a little, it's this kind of long. Normally, what kind of sizes you want after shredded, it depends on different raw materials and our blade dimensions. Normally, let's see the blade now. Oh, sorry. Can you come here? Yeah. Normally, the output size depends on the blade. The blade teeth distance can depend the output length, and the thickness of the blade can depend on the output width. So if you have the exact materials you want to shred, you can tap the words on our screen, and we will let you know what kind of blade and the model to you. And now we can check another one. Okay. Oh, this is sorry. I think this is from Brazil client who want to shred this bin, this basin. Okay. Now let's shred this basin. Can we start this machine? Can we use this machine to? We test this machine with this material. Okay. Will be fine. 可以吗？那你找一个合适的机器。我们刚接线的不是有3个机器吗？用哪个机型？Okay. Because you can see that this basin is a little hard, but it is not fit for that very small machine. So right now we will use the model 400 to test this basin. Okay. Okay. Now you can see that this basin is aluminum, and it had some thickness. So if you have this kind of materials, we suggest that you use a little big shredder, not a very small one. This model is 400 with 7.5 kilowatts. And from the discharges, you can see that the output is not even, because there isn't any screen at the bottom of the shredder. So you can let us know what kind of sizes you want. We can just try to make the output size clear to the size you want, but cannot 100% that it will be at the sizes you want. Okay, and let's find another one. Okay. Oh, this is a lucky client who is from Mexico too. He wants to shred the helmet. 头盔 helmet. Oh, sorry. Let's find the helmet. 头盔. Just one? 就是一个吗? I think we still use the model 400 to test the helmet. You can see this is ABS plastics. It's very hard. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see clearly about the output size. Okay, you can see that for this kind of materials, the output size is more even. So what kind of output you will get depends on the materials itself. During the shredding process, you will see that there are some materials are sparked. So some people may say it will be a little risk, right? So you can see that we have another model at the back of this small shredder. Let's see that machine, okay? You can see this machine, because during in order to reduce that risk, the material spark, so we sometimes will make this cover to reduce the risk, reduce the sparks of the materials during shredding. So if you have the other request to keep safe, you can let us know. We can accept customers about the shredder. And then let's find another materials we can test twice or third times. Then the output size will be smaller. Okay, let's see who is the next one. Okay. Oh, this is from Australia, who want to shred the chicken bones. Do we have? Okay, let's see. Let camera to see these materials. Okay, you can see actually those are some cutted chicken with spoons. 我扔是吧？OK。哦，it's frozen，冻起来了。哦，来，温一台，温一台。OK。OK。啊，OK，it's OK，可以了，可以了，可以了。OK。Actually, for the bones, its output size is relatively smaller. For our shredder machine, you can shred the kitchen waste like the all kinds of bones. Actually, if you want to shred meat, it's fine too. And yeah, I admit I have some clients who want to shred meat. They very clean meat. I have no idea what's their purpose, but we can accept the customization for this kind of shredder. It's not waste; it's just the new one. So we can just replace the shredder body, shredder blade into the stainless steel. So in case they rust to affect the meat. So if you have the request to shred the clean meat, you can test us. We will show you the cost and the solutions. Okay. Okay, then let's see who is the next one. Oh, next one is from the Malaysia who want to shred the circuit boards. Circuit boards? Okay. Do we have? 拿一些电路板过来呗。稍等一下。Okay. For the circuit board, sometimes clients have those boards with many components on, and sometimes it has nothing on the board. It's very clean one. So if your boards, actually for different boards, maybe the shredder configuration will be different because it has the thick. Maybe it has the bigger capacitor and the batteries, yeah, and others. So it will be easier for the shredder machine to shred this kind of materials because there's no very hard and big materials. Okay, then let's see how the test result. Okay. Okay. See, the output size is relatively smaller too. And for circuit boards, actually in our company we have the special recycling line to extract the precious metals and to get metal and the plastics. So if you have much PCB waste, you can let us know. We will show you the special recycling lines to extract the metals you want to have. And then next one. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me see. Oh, this one is from Indonesia who want to shred the old shoes. Old shoes 旧的鞋子。鞋子。Okay. Okay, finished. Actually, sometimes when you see that the shredding process, it will give a feeling that very, very, very unpriced. I mean that we will have the price, we will have high pressure. You see this shredding process, yeah, you will feel very better. Okay, then let's see next one. Is there anybody to see what the materials they want to have on the screen? 有人在屏幕上打他们想要看的试剂原料吗？有吗？看不到。Okay. Then next one. Oh, it's from Korea who want to shred the wood. The wood. Yeah, we have the materials too. 木头 here. Okay. Okay, the wood shredding finished. During processing, you will know that maybe sometimes your materials is a little hard, and the shredder machine was stuck there. So how could we do at that time? You please don't worry, because our machine have the reverse to shred them into very small pieces, so that they cannot disclose any secret about their company. So let's see. 这个能用那个非常小的机器是吗？非常小的可以吗？180的？180的可以吗？啊 ，because we can use this very small machine because its blade teeth very many, and blade thickness is very thin. So the out process will be very small to reach the effect the clients want. Okay. So basically, you can see that the output will be so small, you cannot see any words on them. And if you saw that those kind of limbs out process, you can put them again, yeah, to shred twice, and then it will be reach this kind of size. So it will be very fit for this kind of model, and it will be fit to use at your home. Okay. Let's see our raffle box. Okay, next one. Next one. Yeah, sorry. It is from, oh, it's to shred old clothes from Taiwan. From Taiwan. Okay, let's see. Old clothes, 旧衣服。这个料可以拿走了，觉得这个。You can see, yeah, the discharge size will be like this kind of lamps. And if you think it is longer than the size you want, you can put them into the shredder and shred them again. Yeah, it will be cut again, and maybe the size will be like this one. Okay. Next one. Oh. It's from Singapore. Who want to shred the waste of PE waste. This kind of materials. 那个 PE 料，应该对这个，哪个 PE？OK， 看一下吧。OK， next one。Oh, this is from Malaysia too. Who want to shred the aluminum brick aluminum? OK. 那个旅行牌 ，the aluminum profile。
这样人多，我听说说是吧？
啥？
不抽了。
行，时间不够是吧？
不是，人多。
人多 ，OK， 那直接试吧，就你一个一个料就行，这所有的料，然后一个试啊。对。
看见吗？
能看见吗？你别回头拍的看不见路，我看不清啊，我矮，我看不清。
人形支架。
Okay, now we will give up the raffle box. We will, because before we prepared many materials to test. So right now we will just test the materials for you directly and no check the raffle box. So now let's continue to test the different materials. And you can see, 让我们看一下这边物料区吧。Okay, you can see, yeah, this part is the samples we prepared to test for test today, and now we will test them one by one. Okay, let's see the shredder size.
直接是不关机了，直接是。
好，然后我们直接就是。
直接所有东西挨个试，不关机。
不关机了就直接一个一个试就行了，然后我就不抽了。油桶。嗯。Okay, now let's test this paint barrel. The caps. No, 举着吧，要不然你这对子看不清，对不对着，对没对着？你举着吧，俺能帮你举着。This is the shavings, steel shavings. Let's see the output size. 我帮你抬着点。嗯。
动手吧。就这样就行。
嗯。哎。The paint barrel. Okay, now let's test the hard drive. We will use this model 500 again. Hard drive. Let's see those kind of hard drives. Okay, you can see this is the hard drives we prepared. It's kind of heavy. Okay, let's. Next one. Okay. 哪一个？易拉罐吧。Okay, now we will test the pork bones. Okay, then it will be, yeah, here. Let's come to, yeah, this machine. We will use this machine. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, you can see this kind of materials. It has the QR code on these materials. So we will use this machine to shred this QR code. Okay, let's go. You can see this machine. Yeah, its blade and the blade teeth, the blade thickness is very, very small. The most blade teeth. So for this kind of blade, the output size will be very, very small. Okay, then let's see next. Let's see next materials. Aluminum cans. Okay. Right now we can test to use this machine first to see if it will be fine. Yeah, you can see that it's perfect to shred the aluminum cans. But you cannot put the aluminum cans many pieces at once or at a time. Okay, so you can compare it. The discharge sizes. It's very, very small. It's really, really small. Okay. Flash disk. This is the flash disk. Oh. Because this is the smallest machine, it only has 1.5 power. So you cannot put too much materials at a time. Okay. Next, the materials. It's plastic barrels. Okay. Cartons. Only one. 就是一个料，就是一个桶是吗？就准备了一个那个塑料桶。啊，那个桶把那个塑料桶拿过来吧，是个3、4个，对。OK。然后。And then these are some cartons. Okay. Higher dryer. When the shredder working, it will be better to walk away from the shredder machine to keep safe. It is a little dangerous if the material sparks.
看这边还有啥问题？
嗯。这个还是不是没试？这个去试。这个
它只有水。
有水不能试。
不是，它要进。
这也是个木头，你没试吧？这没啥了，好像。这个餐盒。一次性餐盒。最后一个这个料，这个料，哟呵，这个料是不是没事？我看看，这个料。你不是让讲的？
用的是什么料？
the test materials now is the delivery package, the food delivery package, and now we will test another plastic. Okay, and also we also.
赶紧做。
And then we will test the last materials we prepared. It's seaweed.
没了吗？
没了吧？这我们都大概都试完了，其他都是试过的料了。OK。
接下刀吧，接下刀，
稍等啊 ，OK。
小推车上面。
小推车？Okay, now we have tested all kinds of materials. If you are interested in other materials to shred, you can text us and send our messages. Yeah, let us know. We will. Maybe next live streaming, we will test it for you. And now let's see some different blades. Okay, you can see we prepared several different kind of blades. Yeah, you can see this is the thickest blades in those one. It only has 3 teeth. So from this kind of blade, you will get maybe this length materials and this thickness, those wise materials. So for this kind of blade, it may be fit for a little hard materials compared to those kind of blades. And you can see at this blade, yeah, it's not so thick, but have more teeth. It has 7 teeth, and this is a very thin blades. For this kind of blades, it may be fit for the very light and very thin materials like the paper and the plastic bags. So the output size will be very small, and because the materials is very soft and very thin, so it don't need to much harness. So it will be fit for this kind of material, this kind of blade. And for this one, yeah, it's kind of same thickness, but it has less teeth. So for this kind of blades, yeah, its output may be a little longer than the bottom one. Okay. So I won't introduce all of them. You can just see that they have many different teeth and thickness. So for different materials, we will recommend the suitable blade, suitable teeth, and blade number. Yeah, to shred your materials based on your exact materials and the capacity and the output size. Right now, yeah, because we still have 1 minute left to end this live streaming, and I would like to answer some questions we had from other clients. Let's see. Okay, someone would like to know that how can I get the machine after I buy them. Actually, we offer EXW, FOB, FCCF, and DDP service. So it depends on your request. We can offer all kinds of service. And what is your guarantee? Our guarantee is 12 months. So during this guarantee time, we will ship them freely to you if it's really the quality problems. But normally we have in this industry for over 20 years, and this is a very mature machine. So this kind of situation we had never met. And then what is the next question? What is the delivery time? Actually, the delivery time includes the production period and the selling time, right? Our production period is normally 20 to 30 days, depends on your order time. And the selling time normally it's 30 days on the sea. And how can I get spare parts? You know, for the shredder machine, the spare parts are mostly the blades. So you can buy the blades from us because we have our working parts to cut the blades so that we can control our blade materials and the precision. But also, if you want to buy locally, it will be fine. We can show you our drawings so that you can buy them locally. And the next one, do you offer installation? Actually, for this question, for the small machine, you can see that it's very small. We will ship them very completely. So you will receive them. You just need to connect wires with the motor, so you can use them directly. You don't need the installation service. But if you buy the big shredder like model 2 meters, and you also have the conveyors and other things, so you really need the installation service. Yeah, we can offer this service, but it's charged. It is charged. Please note that. And okay, next question. How can I maintain it once it has problems? About maintenance, actually, like I said before, that the machine is very mature. We have over 30 years experience. So normally in your daily work, if you follow the instructions, it won't have any problems. But if it really have, you can let us know what is the problem it is. We have the special after sales service. We will connect you with our engineer directly, so we can show you the solutions in 20 hours. And also, after you receive the machine, we will share you all the relative videos, like how to install, how to maintain, how to replace blades, and how to install the belts. All kinds of videos, very detailed videos, so that will help you to maintain, to install the machine itself. If you have any other question, you can test us too. We will reply you as soon as possible. Okay. Now, it's time to end this live streaming. So let's see next time. Bye bye.